Hello,
Good morning, madam. Yes, how can I help you?
can I speak to the manager?
Yes, I'm Shankri, the manager of the Lazada. So, how can I help you, madam?
I want to give complaint about your service.
Yeah, can I know the tracking number and then your name, please, madam?
Yes, my name is Sharmila, daughter of Siva.
Okay,
The tracking number is, wait, let me check. 11
okay,
321
okay,
98
okay,
76
okay,
04
okay,
and 04.
okay. So, you have ordered 3 items and then you receive it. And then the billing address is not 19, Jalan Mutiara Mustang Stock 18, Taman Marastin, okay?
Yes, you're right.
So, is it any problem with the packaging anything, madam?
Yes, I have been ordered my item on 10 April, but
Yeah.
I
So,
have been received the item on 12 May, obviously on yesterday.
okay, so it's because of due to this MCO, so the shipment over there it will be late, and the logistics department there over there it's do the packaging late. So that's why you received the item in late, madam. So sorry for that. I think so. The shop holder will message you about regarding this thing. Is he got remember you?
No,
Okay. So I'm very sorry for that, madam. Anything else?
yes. And then I saw my item and I really get shocked. It was
Why, madam?
damaged badly.
Oh, okay. So, did you inform the shop holder about it?
Yes, I did, but they are not responding for my messages.
Okay. So I think so. They all might busy. So, is it you received 3 items, right? So which item the one is the damaged one?
How can you say like this? They are my busy. They have to check out their customers' comment, right?
Yeah, I think so. They might busy because during the MCO there are a lot of packages there, so they are all never postage it yet. So because of that misunderstanding happened. So in this 3 item, which item is?
Hello?
Yes, madam.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
Okay, I ask you that you have ordered 3 items. So what item is damaged there, and then the package is not correct in good condition. So I'm asking that for you.
Victoria's Secret lipstick and the perfume too.
Uh, okay. So what happened?
It's totally damaged. The liquid all get out
Oh,
already.
okay. So sorry for the mistakes, madam, and then the damages. So I asked the shop to. So, madam, is it you want whether the item to be refund or you want the item back?
If refund means if I want the item back means if the mistake is repeat again, how?
No, I responsible for the issue, so it's going to be happen. You can mark my words. You can trust me.
Okay, then I can get back my item again.
Okay, madam, and I booked for you already, so you can get the item in within a week in good condition, madam.
Can I trust you?
Yeah, can. And before that, I want to know what the lipstick color and the Victoria's Secret perfumes brand.
The color was light pink
Okay.
and the perfume
Then
was
what's the perfume?
rose red.
Okay. So I order it for you, madam, and then you will receive it. So don't worry about us.
Hope
And
this
sorry for
won't get.
convenience.
I hope this won't repeat again. And this
Yeah,
time I
okay.
don't want to get any explanation from your company.
Okay, madam, sure. So anything else?
So far nothing.
Okay. So you want to order anything else, madam, or is it this one only?
This one only. But I want to ask you some question.
Yes, madam.
How many years are you working as a manager at here?
It's been 10 years, madam. What? Is there any problem with it?
Okay. Before this, have you handled this kind of situation?
Yeah, I have been handled this kind of situation in many times in my life career. So
Why are you repeating the same mistake again and again?
no, Lazada got too many shops here. So each shops got many problems. So we cannot tell one particular shops doing the same mistake.
How can you say like this? Before we are ordering something, we put full trust on the company and the service too. But your management is too
Yeah.
careful. Be careful on the items and the customers too.
Yeah, sure, madam. Because I think so. Compared to the last year, this year is much better. So we are improving our services. So if anything means, I'm very sorry for that, madam.
Okay, can I ask the next question?
Yeah, can.
Okay, can I know how much your salary?
It's so private and confidential, madam. So
Don't worry.
other than that,
You can trust me.
no,
Me as a
this is
customer
all a
is
private
right.
confidential issue.
You
So
too
I
must
cannot
trust
tell
us.
this to my friends. This is my procedure and rules of my work.
Just tell lah. Don't worry. Okay.
Sorry, madam. It's so private and confidential issue, so I cannot tell it to my customers.
Okay. Can I get your WhatsApp number?
Is it regarding anything, madam? Is it regarding the purchase
Yes, of
things
course.
or
This is regarding my item.
okay? You can contact me by email. My email, because I have my personal and phone number only, so you can contact by me email. You can send me an email anytime, and then I will reply you.
Okay. Your email, please.
Shankri
Okay.
ShankriSiva28@gmail.com.
All right. I will text soon. You still
Okay.
remember my name?
Yeah, I remember Miss Sharmila Siva.
Yes, of course. Okay. My next question is,
Yeah, sure.
you're working at here, right?
Okay.
So if you want to order an item means, you will be order in Lazada?
Yeah, because I'm a staff of Lazada, so I will choose my own products here.
You have been
Because
ordered item before this?
everyone. Yeah, I have ordered and I received the same thing as you.
Okay, that's all from my part.
Okay, madam, thank you for the cooperation and I'm very sorry for the inconvenience. So you can trust me, I can send you the things. Thank you, madam.
Okay, this time I trust you. Okay, be
Okay.
careful with my item.
Okay, madam, sure.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
And may I help you, sir?
Yes. I order Thor, Thor speaker. So I got the Iron Man one. So how?
Sorry, sir. Can you repeat again? May I help you, sir? What's your
Sorry,
problem, sir?
My language is not so good. I ordered the Thor, Thor, the hammer one. I ordered the
Okay.
speaker, this one. But I
Okay.
got Iron Man, this speaker. So how? What do?
Okay, sir. Can I get your receipt number and your book order number, sir?
Receipt number, which one?
When you receive the sticker, right? Okay. Can I get the receipt number, please?
The 6 1.
Yes, sir. There's mention on the receipt. Okay, when you receive, there's a receipt, right? Okay, on the receipt, there is a receipt number. You just tell, I can see what is your problem.
7 2 5 6 9 2.
Okay, sir. And before this, what did you purchase from Lazada, sir? May I know?
Before what? Before this one.
Before this one, did you get the Thor speaker? Before that, what did you purchase from Lazada, sir?
What? I think I buy the sticker. Sticker, maybe the remote sticker, joystick.
Okay, sir. Can I get the order number, please?
Which one? The order number?
Okay. When you order, there is the order number. So that order number, according to the order number, we will receive in our system. So please do tell what is your booking number, your order number, sir?
8Q5S24. I think this one, yeah.
Sir, can you repeat again? I think this will be not your receipt, your book order number. Can receipt mention again?
Well, I mentioned already. I tell you already.
Okay. Wait, sir. Let me check for you. Wait a moment.
Okay. Faster, sir.
Oh, okay, sir. And your name is Tina Garan, right?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Before this, you order with us, which is you order Thor Bluetooth speaker, sir, from us, but we receive as Iron Man speaker. Am I right, sir?
Yes.
Okay, I'm really sorry from that behalf, sir. And sir, may I know, so what is your reason, when did you receive this parcel, sir?
Yeah, 2 days before.
2 days before you receive, sir. Okay, sir, let me check for you what's the reason. Wait a moment, sir. Hi, this is Post Lodge. Okay, may I know this is the serial number that I mentioned you. Can you please let me check what parcel did you send to this address? Yes, 8Q52790. Oh, okay. Oh, I think the mistake will be on us. Okay, okay. Let me call you in a while shortly, thanks. So there is a problem. Okay, there's a problem between.
What problem?
Okay, sir. Actually, you ordered that you need Iron Man. Sorry, you purchased Thor Bluetooth speaker. Am I right? Okay, but
Yes.
we deliver you Iron Man Bluetooth speaker. So, sir, so how you going to refund to us back the things, or we want to pay you back the things, sir?
It's okay. I can use this one first.
Okay, sir.
But I need my Thor the speaker.
Okay, sir. So, please do purchase again by using my number. Giving a serial number, you use that serial number, and from then you will get a free Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon. This is Lazada App online shop.
This is customer care line, sir. May I help you?
My name is Kodiswaran. Few weeks before I ordered one item in Lazada app, and after few days, in system show item was successfully received, but the item is not get in my hand.
Yes, sir. May I know your name and your full name, your order number?
Wait, JTD. Sorry, JTD 30048. Hello.
GTD 3048 will be your order number, sir.
Yes.
And the problem, sir, did you receive the things or you haven't received things, sir?
Okay. When the item was get in my hand.
Okay, sir. Let me check, sir. Okay, sir. And your name is Kodiswaran, right?
Yes.
And did you purchase blood pressure monitor? Am I correct?
Yes, correct.
Okay, sir. As from our department has stated that it already received, it's already delivered to the post-ledger department. Let me check you for a while, sir. I called to the police ledger department.
Okay,
Sir.
Okay, can I can wait.
This is the customer care line. And you guys. Okay, I tell you a serial number. Can I know that the things are delivered to the customer or not? Okay, and sorry, TD 30048. Warrant. Okay. So can I know where we deliver to the customer? For the update. Sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thanks for waiting for a while. Okay, sir. Okay, actually, we already delivered to the post ledger department, but the post ledger haven't delivered to your doorstep, sir. Because as everyone knows, this is MCO. During this MCO time, lots of people and patients out there order from many things from Lazada, sir. So they can't manage to deliver to you within the time that we mentioned to you. So hope sir will wait for it, and they promise that your thing will be delivered in 2 days. So hope you will enjoy what you receive, sir, from Lazada.
Okay. When the item was sent, please call me.
Sure. We will make a call for confirmation, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for consider on us.
Okay. Thank you.